In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide related content on a Confluence page. Whether you're seeking a cleaner presentation or simply want to limit the distractions on your page, hiding related content can be a helpful tool. Let's walk through these steps together to make this process as smooth as possible. Starting off, we're going to navigate to your Confluence homepage. If it's your first time using Confluence, or you're not completely familiar yet, don't worry. It's easier than it seems. Just look for the main dashboard once you log in. This is your launchpad for all actions on Confluence. Once you're on your homepage, the next step is to choose the workspace where the page you're working on is located. Your workspace is akin to a project folder. It stores the pages and content relevant to a particular group or topic. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a moment to locate the one you're interested in today. After entering your workspace, identify and click on the specific page where you want to hide related content. Remember, the page you choose is where any changes you make will apply, so ensure you've got the correct page in front of you. Now, observe the layout of your page closely. On the right-hand side of the top bar, you should spot 3 dots. This icon often houses additional options, so go ahead and give it a click. This action will drop down a menu with an array of choices designed to give you more control over your page. In this drop-down menu, look for an option titled Advanced Details. It's kind of like the secret settings section of your page, where you can make more technical edits and preferences. Clicking here takes you a step closer to your goal. Within Advanced Details, now you're going to find the option to hide related content. By selecting this, you're essentially preparing Confluence to remove those extra related pieces of information from view, simplifying the page for your readers. The final touch in this process involves confirming your action. A prompt will ask if you'd like to hide for everyone. Make sure this is what you want before clicking to confirm. By doing so, you ensure that anyone who accesses this page moving forward will view it without the related content, maintaining the minimalist layout you've opted for. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully hidden the related content on your Confluence page, offering you and your team a more streamlined and focused resource. Whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned user, these steps will keep your pages tidy and relevant. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing on Confluence.